Hi, this is Sean and my lovely daughter Avril. We're going to do a quick little unboxing of the, what is it called? It's Strixhaven School of Mages Magic the Gathering Pre-Release Pack. So, what?
I think Hogwarts is better.
Avril says she thinks Hogwarts is better. Well, alright, so let's have Avril open hers first, see what she gets in hers. She has the green-black one that they came out with. Okay, so here's the cover. Alright, slide it this way a little bit so we can all see what you get. Alright, you got a card in a pack. You got a, what is that? Is that a die?
Yeah.
So that's cool.
Number?
I think that's supposed to be in place of 20. So here, hold it up. There is a little 20-sided die. Okay. So that's just a placeholder. Okay.
Yeah,
Look at this is a 2021 black foil creature human warlock, and it's in sealed. So it's for the pre-release. I think we'll keep that one sealed as brand new. Okay, so this, Avril, remember I said there was the extra pack? This is all gonna be black-green stuff. So everything is gonna be black and swamps and forests in this pack. The special pack. Okay, and then you have, how many packs do you have here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so why don't you open this special pack and see if you get anything interesting in that first.
Dad always gets all the OP cards.
What's an OP card?
All of your cards.
Tell them what an OP card is if they don't know.
Overpowered.
Overpowered cards. Okay. Well, let's see if you got any overpowered cards.
I got this.
Okay.
It's a 5/5.
Well, that's pretty overpowered.
It's Magecraft. That reminds me of Minecraft.
Yep, I got an idea. Let's do this. Let's see if there's a...
That's not copyright, is it?
I don't know. Okay, so here's our rare. So you got a... This is a Titan. He is only... So he's 11-10.
Oh my gosh.
You can play with him with swamps or forests, and he's only 4. But if you attack or block with him, you have to sacrifice a creature. So here he is. Pretty cool. I think we'll just go through the rares on these, on the packs.
Okay.
So put that down. We'll look back through the rest. Okay.
This is land. So.
Yep, that's the only rare.
Okay.
That's the only rare in your pack. So you get 1 rare per pack. So let's open this one, see what rare you get out of here.
Okay. Let me just put that back in the pack.
And we're gonna build some decks and play after this.
Yay! Not a rare. No.
You go to the back.
Oh, okay. Not a rare.
Next one.
A rare. Oh, that's.
They're rare.
That's a rare.
Okay, so a rare green. So you open a rare green since you're playing probably green black anyways.
Yeah.
So until end of turn, double target creature's power equals X. So remember this exponential growth. Exponential growth.
Didn't we look at that one?
We did look at that one online. Yes. All right. Open the next pack. See what you get.
I'm gonna put up the rare ones on top.
Yep, that's fine.
Are all the foils the same?
Nope. Okay. Look at the.
That's not. That looks weird.
Yeah, I'll explain this later. Oh, you got a foil. So you got a human monk, dueling coach foil. All right, 1 more. Oh, here's your rare. So this is red. So
Wait,
this is,
red.
Yeah. See, red. See how it's red?
I thought this was only.
No, these are regular packs. They have everything in them. Just that special pack. Okay, so it's double strike, a 1/4. It's called the Avril Flaming Painter, and when it deals combat damage to a player, it may cast a target instant or sorcery card from your graveyard without paying mana cost. If the spell would be put into your graveyard, exile it instead. So there's that one. Okay, open your next one.
I feel like if it's in a blue-green box, then it should only have blue-green color.
It just has regular packs.
Okay, rip button.
All right. This one you have the Venerable War Singer, 3/3 Vigilance Trample. When whenever the War Singer deals combat damage to a player, you may return target creature card with mana cost of a value of X or less from the graveyard to the battlefield, where X is the amount of damage that it deals to that player. And it's a 3/3, and it's multicolored. That goes with which.
I already started opening it.
Okay, so the next one, that's fine. Yeah, we'll talk about those later. So.
Oops. This one's a sorcery. Ooh, it's a blue.
Yep. Okay, so it is a etching equation. Choose target creature that you control. Each other creature you control becomes a copy of it until end of turn, except the creatures aren't legacy if chosen creature is legacy. Wow.
I don't get it.
Oh, this is actually a card that is dual-sided.
Wait, what?
So, so you can. This side is a sorcery. This side is a.
Can you use both of them?
No, I gotta check on the rules on all these. So this is trample. As long as you control 8 or more lands, it gets +5/+5. That's nice. So which pack did that go with? This one?
Phoenix. I got that Phoenix.
Oh, Retriever Phoenix, Flying Haste, enters the battlefield.
Wait, haste?
Haste 2, yeah. But it's a 2/2 for 4.
Is it haste that you could just no summoning?
If you cast it and it has learn, yes. As long as it is in your graveyard, if you would learn, you may instead retrieve it from the graveyard. That's cool. All right, last one.
Why does this pack only have like
No,
one?
don't open that one. That's just that one card.
Huh.
Okay. All right, we're gonna do mine now. All right, so I've got the red-white pre-release pack. So let's see what we got here. Okay. So I've got a red-white 20-sided die. I've also got the pre-release accessories here. So mine is the Diagon Titan, creature demon with the pre-release card. So that's the pre-release one. Then here's my special pre-release pack. Let's see what we get in there.
Both of these dice are really cool. That you
Yep.
show your dice.
I see that.
And I'm keeping it.
Okay. So what is my rare? Okay. So my rare is the Lorehorn command. Choose 2. Creature create a 3/2 red and white spirit creature token. Creatures you control get +1/0 and gain indestructible and haste until end of turn. Or the commander deals 3 damage to any target. Target player gains 3 life, and then sacrifice a permanent, then draw 2 cards. So you could choose 2 when you do that. Nice. Okay. All right.
But it's fun.
Just wait a minute. All right. Let's see what I got in my packs. Okay. The Biblical Plex, which is a land. So it attacks. Yep. 2, look at the top card in your library. If it's an instant or sorcery, you may reveal it and put it on top of your put it in your hand. If you don't put the card into your hand, you may put it into your graveyard. Activate only if you have exactly 0 or 7 cards in hand. Okay.
Well, I have 0 for most of the game most times.
It's good except for the 0 cards in hand. Okay, so let's see here.
But you can't have 0 cards in your hand when that's in your hand.
No, that's a land.
Oh. Wait,
So-
does land has powers all of a sudden?
Yes, there are special lands. They've had that all along.
Hmm.
Okay, so I've got a foil rare, devastating mastery. It's a sorcery. You may pay 2 and you basically 4 instead of, or rather paying the spell's mana cost. If you do that, the opponent actually chooses up to 2 non-permanent lands they control and return them to their hand. Destroy all non-permanents. Wow. Okay. So that's a good card. I don't know if it's any of these are gonna help me though when I'm playing Avril with our deck. Let's see here. Oh, let me hold that up for a better view. Okay. I've got the Mago Opus. Deals 4 damage divided as you choose among any number of targets. Tap 2 target permanent creature. Create a 4/4 blue and red element creature. Draw 2 cards. And then it has another ability. Discard it. Create a treasure token. All right. Well, I got a uncommon foil. It is a human warrior. It is Quadrex Apprentice. And he has Magecraft. He's a 2/2. And then let's see here. I got the Rush Rebirth. Choose target creature. Where target creature dies this turn, search your library for a creature card with lesser mana value. Put it into the battlefield tapped, then shuffle. Okay, last pack. Let's see if we get something good. Right. I did get a foil Uncommon, Ethrix Helix. So that's kind of cool. And then, let's see here. And then I got a red, blue sorcery. Exile the top X cards from your library. For each land card exiled this way, create a treasure token. For each blue card exiled this way, draw a card. For each red card exiled this way, it deals 1 damage to each opponent. Okay, well, here are our special cards for the series, and then that's what we got in the packs. Awesome. Now we're gonna build some decks and see how well we play against each other.